welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a trunk club. Trunk club is a styling service brought to you by Nordstrom. You basically fill out a style profile, pay them $25, they'll style you a trunk, free shipping both ways, whatever you don't like, you're not obligated to spend your money on, send it back in the trunk. Anything you decide to keep, that $25 is applied to your purchase. If you don't keep anything, you lose that $25. I have the Nordstrom credit card. I do not pay that $25 styling fee. So I get a trunk club monthly, and I'm very specific about what I want, and I send them pictures. And I gave them a myriad of options to choose this time. A little background on me. A few years ago, I lost some weight, and it was a significant amount of weight that nothing fit, and it was time to restart everything in my wardrobe. So I started doing these styling services. I am 52 years old, and my lifestyle since the pandemic started completely changed. Besides losing weight and wanting to be younger and branch out into new styles and be a little bit more youthful, I also now work permanently from home, so I don't need workwear anymore. And I can be a little bit more adventurous in my styles. So I told her that my stylist said I like, trendy things like the puff sleeves and balloon sleeves and square necks and things of that nature. So the stylist, I guess, was going on the trendy modern path for maybe someone a little bit younger than me. So like the top that I didn't get that I requested, I think is appropriate for someone my age. I'll show you what my stylist picked out for me, and you can tell me if, like, Carolyn, what the heck you're thinking, or no, Carolyn, you can rock that. If you think I can rock it, let me know. But I feel right now what she picked out for me is a little bit ridiculous for my age, but maybe I'm wrong. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you the first outfit. Okay, first up is something that you guys can't see, and it's actually something I maybe want to keep. It is the Flex Underwire Strapless Bra by Harper Wilde, 34C for 40 bucks. It's pretty comfortable. So far it's not slipping down. It's very lightweight and not too binding. So I think this is a pretty good bra for 40 bucks. I think I'm gonna keep it. Okay, next up I have on two tight jeans. They're called the 724 high-rise straight leg jeans by Levi in white for $89.50. Now, if you're looking for a thicker denim jean that's not see-through and won't show every lump and bump, I do highly recommend these jeans. These are a thicker, traditional white denim jean. There is stretch to them, not a heck of a lot, but there is stretch to them. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to button and zip them at all, which I was able to do. So I would say if you're in between sizes, I would size up on these for sure. I am short, and I honestly feel they're a little bit too long for me. I don't think it's an attractive look on these, because here it is with heels. I'll pan down so you can see the length. So it kind of pulls up. As a matter of fact, it's even going under my foot right here. So even with heels, it's just a little bit too long for me because I am short. I'm only almost 5'2", okay? So these are the jeans, too tight. I would size up. However, I do recommend them if you're a little bit taller than me and you're looking for some thicker denim that's not going to show every lump and bump. I don't believe these are see-through either, but I would have to look back at the footage. All right, next up is a ruched sleeve puff top by Astr, the label in black. And I had told my stylist, if it's anything in junior size me up. I don't know if Astr did this, like the other extra small was fine, but this extra small to me seems very juniorish, okay? This is $65 and it's cropped. It won't rise up on me again because I'm short, so it doesn't show anything. But it's like skin tight on me, and with the pants pushing me up, my muffin top's hanging out, my love handles back here hanging out. It's just, no intention, it is extremely low cut. I just don't think, I'm not comfortable in this top. So yes, I love the puff sleeves, but I just think this top is a little bit too much, or maybe too little. So here it is, I'll show it to you. Okay, and you can see the back and how everything is. Okay, and I would say no on the top, no on the jeans, and the bra is, I think, almost a yes. Okay, give me a minute and I'll show you some more items. Okay, it gets better. As you see, I'm wearing a wrap top that does not fit me. I'm wearing a white tank under it, and there is no way that this thing could even meet As I said, I mentioned to my stylist, if something like ran small or was a junior size to size up, I guess obviously she didn't know how things ran. This is the Catarina wrap top by Reformation, extra small and gray, and it's just like a t-shirt material. And it's a complete wrap style, which obviously does not close, and it is $68. You know, there's nothing special about this besides the way it doesn't fit. And look at the shoulders here. I don't know who it would fit. It's like too big up here on the shoulders, and way does not accommodate anyone with any kind of a chest. So obviously I'm a little bit chestier than some, but yeah, this does not fit. With it, I have a pair of pants by Halogen. Now, I had asked for wide leg pants. I am looking for some wide leg summer pants. They're in an extra small, and they're black, and they're $59. And they come to a good length on me. I'll pan down. They come right to my, bottom ankle, so I can wear heels with them, no problem. All right. And this is without, I'm not wearing any shoes right now. So the pants themselves fit well. I don't like the material on them. They're 100% polyester, and I was looking for like an airy cotton, rayon, linen, something like that. These things would be glued to me in the middle of summer. So no on the pants, no on the top. If the pants had been a different material, I definitely would have thought of keeping them. They're a pull-on style, they're high-waisted, and they have pockets here on the side. But the material is polyester and very thick and heavy, so these would be a no. I also asked for a pair of espadrilles. I don't know if you recall, but I got espadrilles in my trunk once before, and these I thought were the same ones I got, but when I pulled them out, I went, no, these are different. They're a darker color. I don't think the heel is as high as what I had originally gotten, and I can't even get these on my feet. All right, these are the Lyon ankle wrap wedge espadrille in Soludos in brown, they're calling it, and they're $94.95. Okay, so no to the shoes. I can't even get them on my feet. It's just way too tight, the opening here, and we're digging in. They were painful. So no to that. I have one thing more to show you because I pulled it out of the package. I couldn't believe it, all right? This, I'm not even going to bother trying on. It's called the Weekday Seamless T-shirt by Free People. And it's a size extra small/small in gray. It's only $38. But I'm sorry, this is the size of something for a 3-year-old. I mean, this is, are you kidding me? Yes, it's stretchy, but I can't wear something like this. It's like, literally, it would like come up way past my belly button. My whole belly would hang out. And it literally looks like a top for like a child between ages of 3 and 5. That's how small it is. So no, this is epic fail, going back. It gets better. Hold on, there's something that might be a possibility, but hold on. Is this Vince Camuto jumpsuit. Let's see, what's it called? The Faux wrap jersey jumpsuit in black by Vince Camuto, size extra small, $98. If I had an event I needed to go to dress up, this is a very lovely jumpsuit, and I think it fits pretty well on me, except for the length. If I needed this for an event, I would have gotten it and had it shortened. It's too long, even with heels. I literally have to hold it up so as not to trip over the bottom of the pants. It's a lovely jumpsuit. It's a little bit revealing, so I might put some Hollywood tape if I were to wear this, but no big deal. Lovely jumpsuit, just don't need it, and for $98 it will go back. But again, if you have somewhere to go, I recommend this. I say it fits true to size for an extra small. I'm just not tall enough for an extra small. I need petite and something like this. So, very nice jumpsuit. Nothing I actually, requested. It was one of the surprises. Now, the next item I'm trying on, I did request, so I can only blame myself because I was just very curious in how it was going to look on me. Something I've never tried before, and it's very much out of my comfort zone, and I'll have to see if I feel comfortable getting in front of the camera. So give me a minute. Blame myself for this. I actually told them to put this in my trunk, all right? I've never tried on a slip dress before, and I was very curious in how it would fit. This particular dress, though, is like like a satiny polyester, so it's definitely more of a dressy dress. I don't see how you can really dress this particular one down, and especially because it's black. This is, what is this? The Cowl Slip Midi dress in black for $89. She did size up for me for this. It's Astr the label, so I'm glad she did. This is a size small, and I could not possibly go any smaller. Now, it's supposed to be cowl neck. Honestly, this is a funky dress, all right? The cowl is like folded here and only very thin. And then over here, it's thicker. It's not like draping in the middle. You know what I'm saying? It's like, I'll try and come closer so you can see. So it literally only has like this much of a cuff over here. But look how big the cuff is over here. So then it doesn't, you know, maybe you could steam it to fix it. I don't know. But it's not really making it a cowl neck. Plus, it's a little bit too tight across the girls. And it does have a high, sexy slit here. And it's kind of asymmetrical on this side as well, I think. So it's a little bit longer on the right. No. I have nowhere to wear this to. And if I did have somewhere to wear this to, I wouldn't pick this dress because I think it's just cheaply made. It's wonky, you know? The fit is wonky on it. This thing here is wonky. I just feel that it's just not a very good quality dress. You know, I got the strapless bra on, which I do think is a keeper, so out of this box it looks like that. So I saved the best for last. Give me a minute. Here's the last dress. It's called the Let's Go Smock Bodice Long Sleeve Mini Dress by Dakota by Steve Madden. Pink, size small for $79. Now, again, I showed her a whole bunch of CC white cotton dresses that I was interested in. They had the flutter sleeves, the eyelet, the puff sleeves, but it's CC, and they were cutesy, but they were appropriate cutesy, in my opinion, for someone my age. This kind of looks, in my opinion, maybe I'm wrong, maybe you'll tell me I'm wrong, but looks ridiculous on someone my age. I think that between the style being it almost like a baby doll, where it has the empire waist, the smock top, and the fact that it's a mini dress, it comes probably about 2 to 3 inches above my knee in this bubblegum pink color, even brighter than bubblegum pink, hot pink color. And I wear hot pink, don't get me wrong, but I wear it in a sweater, or I may be looking for a blazer or something along those lines. But I think the style and the color combined is just, yeah, I mean, it'd be cute if I was in my 20s, I'd be all over this, totally my style. At my age, I think I look a little ridiculous. But you guys let me know. It's cottonish material. It's very lightweight. I would recommend it if you like this dress, if this is your thing. Like I said, if I was younger, I would have been all over this. It's an adorable dress, but I think at my age, I feel foolish in it. Okay, it does have the banded elasticized wrist, so it kind of gives it that balloon sleeve. This is a size small, so she sized up, which was good across my chest, but it's too large and it's like falling off my shoulders like this, right? And it's really not meant to be an off the shoulder dress. So it is too big in the shoulders for me, but because it's a junior dress and I am not a junior, the top, the breast area fits fine in the small. So I would not want to go any smaller because of the length and this, but the shoulders are just too big on me. So it is an adorable dress, you know, not for me. All right, so here's the back of it. All right, and let me know your thoughts. I'd be curious as to what you think of my trunk and what you would keep, if anything. And whether or not you think I'm being overly harsh in saying that this is not age appropriate for me. But I just kind of feel like, there's, I think, a fine line being modern and trendy and versus looking ridiculous, like you're trying to be someone you're not. And yeah, the items that I picked out, I don't think were quite this level of what she picked out. So it's like I gave her all these things and I never got the things I requested. She got things that she thought looked similar, but when you put them on someone my age, I don't think they are. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed already, why not? It's free. Just click that subscribe button, click the notification bell. You get notified of future videos from me. I promise there's no charges, there's no emails that you'll get, nothing, all right? You just get a little reminder that, hey, here's everything that's coming new, the videos of me. And if you haven't liked my, go ahead, like it, give it a thumbs up. Take care, and until next time.